poor cuckoo sat on the edge of the road. So we're gonna have to, Jack's going down the corner now just to slow the traffic down there. I'm gonna go at it, Ash. If you go, stay this side a sec, mate.
Yeah.
And wait till the cars come past, and then we'll, if you go up that end and slow them down, yeah, and I'll try and get it out of the road. Oh, look at that. Don't move, don't move. Just go straight past it, mate. Jack's on that end. Got it. I'm gonna get back to the van. Just hope he's all right. Oh, look at that.
I think it's broken a wing.
That looks okay, but I'm not sure about this left one.
It's been hit by something. It's alright, mate. Yeah, it's definitely been hit. Other than that, though,
Looks okay. It's not. Might just need to rest for a minute.
Yeah.
Might be shocked. Might not be hit too bad, but.
No, it doesn't look that
What a
bad.
bird.
Just take him to the vet.
Keep him in here for a few minutes. Let him calm down a bit. So he's in the van now, safe off the road. Whew, what a relief. What a bird, look at that. I've only ever seen one cuckoo in my life, and that was quite distant. And lucky I spotted you, mate. He seems to have perked up a little bit, and probably still a bit shocked. I think he's been hit by a car, but there doesn't seem to be any major damage to him. He's flapping about a little bit, but he's quite calm now. Just wanted to get him off the side of the road. Whew, my heart.
So it's a few hours later now, and the cuckoo is in the bath. It's the best place I could think to put him where he'd be safe. I say he, could be a she, I'm not quite sure at this point in time. But just look at that. What a bird. What a privilege. I say it doesn't seem to have any kind of damage to its wings or any of its feathers that are maybe missing. So I think potentially the bird could have just been stunned from maybe a side draft from a vehicle on the side of the road, and it's just sort of confused it, and hence why it was sat by the road. Equally, it could just be pretty tired, or it's not eaten very well, so it was just a bit exhausted and it just decided to plonk down there on the side of the road. Either way, I'm very happy that I was passing at that point in time. So I'm now going to try and give it its first bit of food. It's been having a bit of water throughout the day, but it's been a bit reluctant to eat the live mealworms that we've bought for it. So I'm going to try now and see if it'll take some mealworms. If not, I'll try some raw egg as well, because of course they will eat raw egg in the wild if they stumble across them. But I'll just show you again. That's just irresistible. Look. So I'm going to try some live mealworm. Oh, it's been fluffing his feathers quite a bit. Okay. Let's see if this works. Not sure of that. See if we can give him a bit of water at the same time. That's good, at least he's taken his first mealworm. A bit more water. Maybe try one more. Yes, look at that. He's eating it, fantastic. So I'm going to try another mealworm now, just see if he'll take it. Oops, nope. You've got to eat, get your strength up. Oh, good. Took that one as well. Nope, not quite. A bit of water with that. There you go. So good to see him eating. It's been a few hours now and it's been very reluctant, but these live mealworms really seem to be playing the part. Come on. Just trying to keep a water intake up. Obviously the bird could be dehydrated, so yeah, hopefully by just giving it a few drops. Look at that. Peachy colours in that mouth, it's amazing. Getting a bit sleepy now, look. Okay, let's put you down for the night.
So for those of you that have been concerned about this little male or female cuckoo, not sure yet, as you can see, he or she is a lot perky. Oh, little yawn there. A lot perkier today, and been doing very well. Been eating. I think he's ready for some food. Been eating a lot of mealworms, and it's had some water as well. And as you can see, it's had this new perch. Oh yes, that's definitely hungry. So I'm going to go give him another feed now. It's gone 9, so another feed should probably see him through the night. And look at that, a bit of a wing stretch as well. Very good sign. And even had a little bit of preening earlier, which was fantastic to see. So yeah, it's starting to look up. So fingers crossed we can start to put some weight on and develop further. Just so pleased that it's doing well. And thank you for all your messages, by the way. It's lovely to see so many of you caring about this fabulous little bird. So it's good night from the cuckoo bath.
So it's now day 5, and I can't tell you how happy I am that this little chap, or female, we're not quite sure yet, has actually decided to start taking mealworms from the tweezers, which is absolutely brilliant. I've been force feeding him very delicately for the last 4 days, and just today he's decided to start pecking. Well, actually yesterday he started pecking at the tweezers and showing some interest in terms of trying to get the mealworms out of the tweezers themselves, but today he's actually taking them, and it's time for a feed, so we'll see what he does. There you go. Ooh. Look at that, that is just amazing. 4 days after he was found on the side of the road, and of course when I first saw him, his eyes pretty much shut. He's absolutely exhausted. Now you can see he's doing really well, picking up a lot of strength and growing well, and even growing back some of the feathers that were damaged in what I believe was a very slight injury from a car. Look at that, look. Oh yes. Just fantastic to see. Of course, I'm trying to still keep my distance from this bird because it is a wild animal at the end of the day. So I don't really want to get, or I'm trying not to get too attached. But yeah, it's very difficult with a bird like this. Look at that. Oh, you beauty.
So to give this wonderful little cuckoo a fresh new home, I've just cleaned out the bath where he's left us a few deposits and just put a few branches and things in the bath, so it just feels a bit more natural. Just got a branch of elder and some sycamore as well. Plenty of green fly and things in here, whether I'll eat them or not, I don't know, but it's doing very well, eating lots and lots of mealworms voluntarily now, so it's excellent news. Very alert, look. I think he's a bit hungry again.